Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Good morning and welcome to another week. It's Thursday, the 25th of February, and it's 9:45 in the morning. So it's Thursday, it's shopping day, but this time, or this week, instead of me doing mum and dad's shopping, I'm going to go and pick her up. And I'm going to take her to one of the local small shopping areas, which is kind of like a multi-use kind of little outdoor shopping mall kind of area, called Fox Valley, just so that she can get a bit of fresh air and start stretching her legs and start doing a bit more exercise than what she has been able to do since before Christmas. So she's had the vaccine, so according to government kind of statistics and reports and information and data, that should afford her 75 to 80% protection even on the first injection. So with her face mask and maintaining social distance, I think she'll be okay. So, and it'll also do her a world of good mentally. So we're going out. It's sunny today. It's a beautiful day. It's 9 degrees Celsius today. So that's positively balmy compared to what it has been. So yeah, get her out in the sunshine, get her to stretch her legs, get some fresh air in her lungs, and that should lighten the mood a bit.
I think I might have to replenish that.
Is it not? Is it nearly empty?
Yes, I'm far off.
I'll get another one from when we get back home then. Are you in?
Yeah, there's an opening tool for it, guys.
Yeah.
Bumps his car. I can't find the thing.
There you go. Everybody in?
Yeah. Just have to belt up.
You could pass for 40 in the twilight with the light behind you.
Me. Thank you very much indeed.
I don't know whether you can make out the little pops of colour. All the crocuses are starting to come out. Look at those. Daffodils are quite
Far on.
They are quite far on. Might not even big enough to even get heads on just yet, I don't think. Nice big bunch there, look. Give them another week or so and they'll be lovely. No, but there's enough of them. So you can see the line of crocuses all the way along there, look. You're enjoying the first sunshine of the year, are you? All bright and beautiful, isn't it? Just like you. Poor Ted. Poor Teddy. Let go then, I can't throw it unless you... Don't be It's Monday morning, the 1st of March. Happy March, everybody. I suppose I should say white rabbits, but it's a bit late now. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So all the sunshine that we had yesterday, as you've seen, has disappeared to be replaced with cold, damp, wet fog. So, but yesterday and over the weekend we did manage, like I said, as you've seen, to finally get out and paint the shed and cut the grass and actually put some washing out on the line the first time this year. So the first time I've cut the grass, first time Mr. Bentley's been able to sit out in the sunshine in the garden, and the first time I've actually been able to get some washing out, which consisted of Mr. Bentley's blankets. So his bed blanket is blanket that he sits on the couch with, all washed, all smelling beautifully, and all line dried, which is nice. So this morning I've been fairly busy with work stuff, trying to get website orders ready for posting. Ian's already been out and taken a big bundle down to the post office just before lunch. I'm busy going through some more of my website orders, but have to have a quick break away from that to go down to the supermarket. Mr. Bentley's run out of his food, so his wet food, not his dry food, his wet food. So I'm just nipping down to get some for him in readiness for his tea when he goes out for his WALK, but also just to grab a few extra bits and pieces. More bread. We had to throw some bread away this weekend because it had gone mouldy in the bread bin, due to the heat, I think, more than anything. So yeah, we haven't got room in the freezer to keep bread in, and I don't like bread once it's been frozen either. I'd much prefer fresh bread. But so anyway, so that and a few other minor bits and pieces. As you can see, my hair is short. I asked Ian to trim it for me last night, so I did his, and then I asked him to just go over mine, but unfortunately he picked up the wrong blade. So instead of using the 28mm one, which is what we normally use, he used the 22. So it's a lot shorter than it normally is, but it'll grow. Just means it'll be even longer before I need to have it cut again. Once more into the breach, dear friends.
I'm swapping that one because of that one.
Yeah.
There's a little bit extra in the envelope, get yourself a pint, go from you.
Alright.
Is there?
Yeah, it was a 172 with 180. 2 pints of lager before quid, weren't they?
I don't know where you've been going.
I don't know how much beer is anymore.
It'll not be as cheap as what it was, right, when we come back.
Oh, will it hell? Want a biscuit? It's like a biscuit. Tell me.
Yes, please.
Yes,
There you
please.
go.
Okay.
So it's Wednesday morning, and we've just heard that overnight our friend Hillary has passed away. Now, Hilary had been battling with cancer for around about 5-6 years, but unfortunately last night at 2 a.m. She lost her battle. So we'll be very, very sad to say goodbye to Hilary, because she was an absolutely lovely, wonderful lady.
She was beautiful.
Good morning everyone, it's Ian here. Been doing a bit of vacuuming, bit of dusting, Mike's just taken mum shopping, and I'm taking the opportunity to do a little bit of photography today on some new ephemera that I'm launching on my show and tell next week. I've got loads to show you next week, but a bit of a sneak peek. Vintage perfumery. They are gorgeous. Well, this is the new set, the vintage perfumery. I've just laid it out to do photography. It's based on all the old Victorian adverts for soaps, toiletries, perfumes, toilet waters. There is just so much in this kit. So much. The illustrations are absolutely beautiful. You know, when you see something you think, I love this, I love this. And I also love all the old bottles as well. So you've got labels, cards, tag, little tuck-in items, pockets, you name it. Oh, look how far I've got to walk away just to show you it all. I've also got some others to show you, but I'm not sure I'll show you them today, or I might just keep them till Tuesday for a surprise. Cut. 5. Well, I've got all my packing done. These are the new button and string envelopes, floral, steampunk, vintage perfumery, fortune tellers, and then these are the 3 new sets of ephemera. I have the Jules Verne set. I've been asked a few times for that, so that's the Jules Verne set. That's beautiful. I love the book covers on that. Then vintage perfumery. And the colours are just beautiful. And then I've had quite a few requests of the fortune tellers, so I have the fortune tellers there. So I've been a bit of a busy boy this morning, as you see. There they are, and they'll be going on the website as soon as possible. But they are limited quantities, the envelopes. They were very, very difficult to get hold of.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.